Now problem set first sum is what multiple choice question that we will do afterwards. First we are going to start the second number, third, second, third and fourth. Now see, in this problem के अंदर BD is what 7 और BC दिया 20. You have to find this area and this area. Before finding that area, you have to find what DC find करेंगे. Solution कैसे find करोगे? BD plus DC is equal to what? BC. Why? B dash D dash C. BD कितना है 7, DC we don't know, और ये कितना है 20. Therefore DC is equal to 20 minus 7. So DC is equal to what? 30. तो DC मिला 30. So we got DC कितना है 30. Now one by one ये लेने का. Area triangle ABD upon area triangle ADC. इसमें क्या किया? ABD में height AD है, ADC में height AD है. Both the triangle का height equal है. तो क्या रहेगा? Base क्या रहेगा? इसका correspond रहेगा. Base क्या इसका? इसका base BD है. इसका base क्या है? DC है. Reason क्या है? Triangles have equal what? Equal height. BD कितना है 7, DC कितना है 13. Therefore area triangle ABD upon area triangle ADC, ये हो गया अपना आंसर. करेक्ट. तो we have finished what? This one. Second, area triangle ABD upon area triangle ABC. Listen, ABD में BD है base और ABC में BC है base. Same reason, triangles have equal height. BD कितना है? BD 7 है और BC कितना है? BC कितना है? 20 है. Right? Therefore area triangle ABD upon area triangle ABC, we got what? 7 upon 20. Now third one, area triangle ABC upon area triangle ABC. ADC का बेस क्या है? DC और ABC का बेस क्या है? BC. Same reason, triangles have equal height. DC 13 और BC कितना है 20. So area triangle ADC upon area triangle ABC is equal to what? It's equal to what? 13 upon 20. Fair ना? So we got this what? That's first sum. See. Now second sum में हम लोग का है. See, the ratio of the area of two triangles. The ratio of the area of two triangles is equal height. ना दोनों triangle का जो heights है both are equal. The base of a smaller triangle 6. तो base क्या है smaller triangle का? Smaller triangle का base 6 है. Find the base of the larger triangle. Correct? Find the base of the what? Larger triangle. How we are going to start? See. So let the two areas of a triangle be A1, A2. ये first triangle का area है, ये second triangle का area है, and their base be what? B1 and B2. See. Therefore area 1 ratio area 2 is equal to what they given? 2:3. 2:3. लेकिन B1 कितना दिया है? Smaller triangle का base दिया हमने को 6. Find the largest triangle का base बोला है. Therefore A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Why? Same reason, triangle have equal what? Equal height. A1 कितना है 2, 3, B1 कितना है 6 upon B2. So cross multiply करो, B2 is equal to 6 into 3 upon 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Therefore B2 is equal to what? 9. Therefore base of a larger triangle is 6 centimeter. Correct? Third sum है ना, fourth sum है. Correct? See now ABC triangle है, ये triangle base क्या है BC और height क्या है उसका AC AB. AB is perpendicular to BC. ना दूसरा triangle क्या है BCD है, height क्या है इसका DC, base क्या है इसका BC. Both the triangles के पास base same है. ये triangle का height 6 है, ये triangle का height what 8 है. Find the area of this triangle. Solution. How to solve this one? See, very simple sum. Area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle DCB is equal to AB upon DC. Why? Triangles have equal base BC. Correct? Therefore area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle DCB is equal to AB कितना है 6 upon 8. कट कर दो इसको, 2 3s are 2 4s are. Therefore area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle DCB is equal to 3 upon 4. This is the what final answer for fourth sum. Now see, problem set first का sum number 5, 7, 9, sum number 6, sum number 8 we will do what afterwards. Correct? That sum is very lengthy. First we will do what small sum, then we will do what a bigger sum. See now sum number 5 में PQR जैसे triangle है, ये ट्राइंगल का जो एरिया है वो 100 है. QRS ये ट्राइंगल का जो एरिया वो 110 है. PM दिया हम लोग को 10. PM कितना है 10. You have to find what NR find करने का है. What to find? You have to find what NR. Now how we going to find what? How we going to find what NR? NR कैसे find करेंगे? See, listen carefully. एकदम some easy है. See, now area triangle PQR upon PQR is PQS है, area triangle QRS is equal to, now see both the triangle QS base है, तो QS base both are equal. When base are equal, heights will be what? Correspondence. PM upon what? NR. By triangle have equal base, क्या वो QS. QS is what? QS is the equal base for both the triangle is equal to PM कितना है? हाँ सी, ये triangle कितना एरिया 100, ये रे कितना है 110, PM कितना है 10, NR we don't know. करेक्ट? हम लोगों ने क्या किया? We have substitute the value. करेक्ट? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. NR into 100 is equal to 10 into 110. Therefore NR is equal to 10 into 110 upon what? 100. सिंपल क्या करने का? कैंसिल द जीरो. क्या? Therefore NR क्या मिला हम लोग को? NR is equal to what? 11. Answer 11 centimeter. This was the what? Fifth sum. Now sum number 7. I told you first only 6th and 8th sum we'll go to do afterwards, correct? Because this sum is not very lengthy. So first we'll do our small sums. Now see. Now in this the given both the lines are parallel. So in triangle ABC line AB is parallel to line what DE. when the both the lines are parallel, जब पैरेलल दोगे तो यूज करने का हम लोग को व्हाट बीपीटी थ्योरम यूज करने का. सी बोथ द लाइन्स आर पैरेलल, ये दोनों पैरेलल है और इसका ऑपोजिट वर्टेक्स क्या है C. टेक दिस वर्टेक्स C, तो कैसा आएगा CD upon AD, CD upon AD, correct. Start from C only, CE upon EB. Reason BPT थ्योरम, बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम. CD कितना है 3, ये 5, ये कितना है 6.4 minus 6 upon what x, correct. 6.4 upon x, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, 3 into x 3x is equal to 64 minus x into 5. 3x is equal to 5 4s are 20. 64 into 5 करो, comes to what 320 है ना. So 0 2 320, आंसर 320 आता है. पुट पॉइंट एंड इनटू 0, कितना आंसर आया 32, करेक्ट. So 32 minus 5x, bring this 5 this side, 3x plus 5x is equal to what 32. 8x is equal to what 32. X is equal to 32 upon 8. X is equal to what 4. We got x, ये x से मिला अपने को 4 मिला, right? See, but here you have to find what BC find, BE find करने का है. So BE और BC, just wait. Now x is what 4, but BE is what, BE is x. Therefore BE is equal to what 4 units, correct. This was the second sum. Now come what to the ninth sum. See, ये हम लोग को फिलअप करने का है. This sum will come for the 2 marks के लिए. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 को डिवाइड करो हाफ ऑफ में, that means this sum will come for the 2 marks के लिए, 2 और 3 marks के लिए. See, now प्रूफ करने का है x y and q are both are parallel. See, p q r a triangle है, p q r triangle है, x n is the bisector of this triangle. ये ट्राइंगल का ये बाइसेक्टर है, ये ट्राइंगल का m y is the bisector. अगर बाइसेक्टर होगा तो यूज व्हाट थ्योरम ऑफ एंगल बाइसेक्ट, एंगल बाइसेक्टर थ्योरम यूज करने का है. तो हाउ वी गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट टेक दिस ट्राइंगल p m q, ये ट्राइंगल है. रे mx is bisector of what एंगल p m q. तो mx क्या है, ये एंगल का बाइसेक्टर है. तो यूज व्हाट एंगल बाइसेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी. कैसे यूज करेंगे हम लोग. सी pm, for taking this vertex, take this pm upon mq, pm upon mq. Start from p only, px upon what, px upon xq. Why? Theorem on angle of theorem on angle bisector, या तुम लोग लिखो एंगल बाइसेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी है थ्योरम. ये triangle finished. Now take PMR. MY is a bisector of this angle. Start with from MP only. So PM upon MR. PM upon MR is equal to PY upon what? Y. Reason theorem on angle bisector. See, here. Now PM upon MQ and PM upon MR. These both are equal. Why? Because here M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of what? QR. अगर M midpoint है QR का, that means PM PM equal है, correct? और MQ और MR, these are also equal. ये भी equal है. Therefore, this part and this part both will be what equal, because hence why MQ and MR both equal. See, क्यों PM PM equal है, MQ MR. Why these two are equal? Because इधर M is the what? The midpoint. ये मिला हम लोग को what? Actually we'll write like this. इधर ऐसा होना चाहिए, तो गड़बड़ है. तो QM is equal to what? MR. Why? M is a midpoint of QR. ये मिला हम लोग को 3. Now listen. Now see. MP MP equal. MQ MR इधर equal है. Why? M is the midpoint. So these two sides are equal. This and this both are equal. Why? कहाँ से मिला हम लोग को? From 1, 2 and 3. When these two are equal, then these sides and this side also what? Equal. Right? So when see, so px upon xq and py upon yr, px upon xq and py upon pr. ये भी कहाँ से मिला हम लोग को? From fourth है. So from 1, 2, from 1, 2 and what? 4. So when these two are equal, so line x, y and q are both will be what? Parallel. This was the what? Three sums were done. Correct? See, A, B, C triangle. We have three bisectors. We have what? Two bisectors. A, B, Y का BX is the bisector. The dot means what? BX is the bisector. A, C, Y का CX is the bisector. दो डॉट है ना? Now to show that, find करने का AB कितना है 5, AC is what 4 and BC is what 6. Three sides of the triangle are given. You have to find what? AX और XY की वैल्यू फाइंड करने का. एकदम सिंपल है. How to find this one? See solution. In triangle ABY. Now here ray BX is a what? Is a bisector of angle ABY. Therefore, अगर ये bisector है, start from this vertex, correct? AB upon BY is equal to AX upon XY. Reason? Angle bisector what? Theorem. ये मिला हम लोग को 1. Same way, take this triangle. In triangle ACY, ray CX is a what? Is a bisector of angle ACY. Correct? So start from this vertex only. क्या आएगा? AC upon CY is equal to AX upon XY. Correct? Reason? Angle bisector theorem. ये मिला हम लोग को 2. Now यहाँ पर ध्यान देने का, these two are equal. ये और ये दोनों equal है. And these two are equal, so these three are what? Equal. Therefore, AB upon BY is equal to AC upon CY, AX upon XY. Reason? From 1 and 2. Now, इन दोनों को ऐड करने का, what? AB plus AC BY plus CY is equal to AX upon XY. इसका रीजन क्या है? theorem on equal ratio. Now AB और AC, AB की वैल्यू क्या है? 5. wait, one more step. AB plus AC upon BY plus YC. क्या मिला हम लोगों को? BC is equal to AX upon XY. AB कितना है? 5. BC कितना है? 4. और BC कितना है? 6 is equal to AX upon XY. Correct? So therefore AC upon XY is equal to 9 upon what? 6. Cut करो. 3 3s are 3 2s are. Therefore AC upon XYC AX, sorry इधर AX आना चाहिए, और AX upon XY is equal to 3 upon what? 2. This is what the 10 sum. Correct? See, sum number 11 we are doing now. Let's see, A, B, C solution. Proof, sorry. Proof. See, in quadrilateral A, B, C D quadrilateral में seg AD parallel to what? Sec BC. Why? AB and BC both are parallel. Why? it's given. So when these two lines are parallel, so this angle and this angle both are congruent. So ADP congruent to angle CBP. Why? Present क्या alternate angles 1. दो ट्राइंगल ले लो, इन ट्राइंगल सेम ट्राइंगल, इन ट्राइंगल ADP and triangle CBP, right? So angle क्या है? ADP congruent to angle CPB. Why? ये मिला from y. और angle APD congruent to angle what? CPB. This angle and this angle, both are which angles? It is called what? Vertically opposite angles. Therefore triangle ADP is similar to triangle CPB by a test of shortcut में similarity. Now फिर AP upon DP is equal to PC upon what? PB. Why? CSST, correct? लेकिन PD star AP upon DP or CP upon C. Now see, we got AP, we got PB, but see, and we got the answer बराबर है AP upon C. Now both the times very rest, so AP upon PC is equal to PD upon what? PB by CSST. Now see, AP is there, okay. PD is not there. PB is there. Here PC. So this should come here, and this PC should go that side. So AP upon PD is equal to PC upon PB. Reason क्या था? By हमने 9 सेंटीमीटर लेसन क्या था, है ना? उसमें था alternando by alternando. So this will go here, and this will come what? Here. So AP upon PD and PC upon what? PD. Hence proved.